Identify and match. पहचानिए और मिलाइए. Dear children, प्यारे बच्चों, now we learn to match same words. अब हम एक जैसे अल्फाज को मिलाना सीखते हैं. Here is word bat. Now we search word bat in the second row. Pat, rat, hat, sat, bat. Yes, this is bat. So we match both words bat. Here is word cat. Now we search word cat in the second row. Pat, rat, hat, sat, bat, fat, cat. Yes, this is cat. So we match both words cat. Here is word fat. Now we search word fat in the second row. Pat, rat, hat, sat, bat, fat. Yes, this is fat. So we match both words fat. Here is word rat. Now we search word rat in the second row. Pat, rat. Yes, this is rat. So we match both words rat. Here is word mat. Now we search word mat in the second row. Pat, rat, hat, sat, bat, fat, cat, mat. Yes, this is mat. So we match both words mat. Here is word hat. Now we search word hat in the second row. Pat, rat, hat. Yes, this is hat. So we match both words hat. Here is word sat. Now we search word sat in the second row. Pat, rat, hat, sat. Yes, this is sat. So we match both words sat. Here is word pat. Pat is the first word in second row. So we match both words pat